Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make the most amazing salted caramel sauce ever. You can use this as a topping on your ice creams, waffles, pancakes, as a filling in tarts or donuts, and for making caramel frappes. So for this, you're going to need 1 cup of sugar. This is normal granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half cup of cream, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. If you're using salted butter, you can skip the salt in the recipe. So now I'm using a heavy bottom stainless steel pan. In this I'm going to pour in my sugar, and along with it I'm adding the water. Adding water ensures that the sugar doesn't burn from places. Okay, now I don't know why I did that. You don't need to do this. But I'm going to heat it on low heat until the sugar is dissolved. I'm using a wet spatula to remove all the sugar from the sides. You can use a wet spoon also. I'm going to stir it from time to time until the sugar gets completely dissolved. Okay, first things first, caramel is very hot. So please don't touch it at any cost. No matter what happens, don't touch it. And use a pan that has some height instead of using a frying pan. And the reason for this you'll get to know later, so stay tuned. You can see the sugar is completely dissolved. I'm going to stir it for one last time, and then I'm going to let it simmer on medium heat until the sugar changes its color into a deep amber color. Keep in mind that you don't need to stir the caramel once the sugar is dissolved, otherwise the sugar will crystallize and you'll end up with a grainy caramel, and we don't want that. Okay, so you can see our caramel is gradually changing its color, and now it's such a beautiful amber color. All the water has evaporated and the sugar has caramelized, and now it's time to add our cream. I'm using Amul fresh cream. Be very careful while adding it because it bubbles up very much, and the steam is extremely hot, so it might burn your hand. So be very careful while adding it and keep stirring it continuously. And this is why you need a deeper pan. We don't want our caramel to flow all over. Adding in the cream stops the sugar from caramelizing anymore, so make sure you add it only when you achieved the desired color. After cooking it for about a minute, I'm going to add in the salt. As I said earlier, I'm using unsalted butter, but if you're using Amul salted butter, you can skip the salt. Now I'm going to remove the heat and I'm going to stir in the butter. The heat from the caramel melts the butter completely and a caramel becomes extremely smooth and delicious. Please be very careful and don't touch it at any stage. Do not try to taste it, it will cause burns. Making caramel sauce can be a little tricky, but if you keep in mind the steps and follow them as it is, you'll end up with a delicious and smooth caramel sauce. You can store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Just keep it in an airtight container and you'll be fine. Just look at that beautiful color, it's perfect. It's free of any preservatives and chemicals. You'll never go back to buying store-bought caramel again. It's so easy to make and it's so delicious. I'm going to transfer it into a clean glass jar. This recipe will give you 1 full jar of caramel sauce. It'll be around 300 grams. You can use it as a dip for churros or pretzels, or as a topping for ice creams or pancakes. You can use it anywhere and everywhere. You can add this caramel sauce to your regular cold coffee and make Starbucks style caramel frappe at home. I love this salted caramel sauce over hot waffles. It's heavenly. If you have a favorite, please let me know in the comment section. I'd love to try it. Our caramel sauce is so smooth and delicious, and that little pinch of salt adds the perfect contrast to the sweetness of caramel. It just takes it to another level. If you tried this recipe, don't forget to tag us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, press the bell icon so that you never miss any video.